again, we are all done. You guys should see this startup, and these are the apps that you guys get with this. So these are the default apps because I didn't transfer anything. If I was to transfer stuff, then there would be other apps. But these are the default apps. These are apps that come installed already. So let me just give you a quick glimpse of that. So we're just gonna go by each page and show you what's in here. It's going to games. You guys can barely see that, but here we go. And then there's an ad right here. Actually, I shouldn't have clicked there. Let me just close this up. And here we go. So right now, you guys can view a little bit more stuff that you guys get pre-installed in here. Of course, you don't just have to mess around with what's in here already. You can download more apps in the Play Store. So again, I'm just gonna go throughout every screen so you guys can see. Let me tap on this one. Got it. Now don't worry, it's not that responsive. That's just how the tablet is. It's not the best thing in the world. There we go. Let me go back. We have our camera app and all those. But anyways, this is just a setup video and we're technically all done. But something I did want to show you before we end this video is to update it. So on the bottom, you will see this. Tap on it, scroll down, and you will see your settings. In your settings, once you load up your settings, you're gonna see all this stuff. This is your main stuff. Just scroll down. You're gonna see system almost all the way in the bottom. From system, there's system update. So that's how you guys can update this tablet. So go on and tap on update. And right now it's just gonna update it for you. So that's how easy it is to update this thing. Just don't press pause, leave it. Usually I would suggest have it charging while this is happening. This is just updating your software. Nothing bad's gonna happen. And again, to get here, it was very, very easy. All we had to do was go into our settings and then do it from there. So again, that's where you guys wanna go. And then system, from system, you update up there. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.